Hello students, welcome to Ashish Pulala classes. Today in the present video, I am going to discuss with you the Charter Act of 1813. Now the question arises why the Charter Act of 1813 was passed and what were the new amendment in comparison to the old act and statutes. After making investigation into the financial affairs of the East India Company, which investigation was made by a committee which was appointed by the House of Commons, the present Charter Act of 1813 was passed in the British Parliament. Although the Charter Act of 1813 extended the trading right of East India Company for a further period of 20 years in India. However, the trade monopoly of East India Company was abolished by this charter. That means to say that by virtue of this charter, the Indian trade was thrown open to all the British merchants in India. However, it is very important to note here that although the present charter also gave the trading right to all the British merchants in India, but even this charter continued the monopoly of East India Company in respect of trade in tea and trade with China. That means to say, in respect of trade in tea and trade with China, the monopoly of East India Company continued even after passing the Charter Act of 1813. Under this act or under this charter, the sovereignty was asserted to the British Crown over all the territory which was acquired by East India Company in India. I want to repeat, under this charter, the sovereignty was asserted to the British Crown over all the company's territory in India. After passing this act allowed the Christian missionaries to come in India so that they can enlighten the people in India with the Christian faith. This act also provided for the spread of Western education system among the inhabitants of British territories in India. This act authorized the local governments in India that they can impose taxes on persons and they could also punish the persons who were not paying the taxes to the government. So this is something about this charter. In the next video, I will discuss with you the Charter Act of 1833. So keep in touch with me and continue to watch videos. Thank you very much.